Hello, people of the internet. I should come up with the name of you guys. But this is a zippo lighter, and I got this at Walmart. Pretty high price, you know. And the reason I got this is because if you ever had played the game Hitman, you'd know you'd have the same feeling as me. Okay, people. So, sorry, shaky. But if you see this wheel right here, that's called flint and steel. The steel's just under it. There. This flint. That's what makes the spark. And then it smokes. But the reason why it's not going off is because this rope can't do it. So, at the very bottom. No, wait. Oh, yeah, no, yeah, blah, 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 blah. You'd have to pull this whole thing out right here, which I can't do right now. And, there would be something, a little hole you need. Soak the cotton in a lighter fluid, and, that make the rope go flamey, flamey, flamey. And then your thumb gets black. Because, not saying I'm racist, it's just that your finger will get black from the flint. So, yeah, that's how you refill it. And there should be a line showing you where to stop filling it up. So if the lighter fluid leaks out, that's okay. Just that means that it's bad too at the same time, because that means you filled it up a lot. So yeah, so, you know, I don't really know what that pea stain is, but okay. And thanks for watching.